Good morning, students. Today we solve one example problem. Example number 2, page number 66. Prove that the circles x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0 have exactly two common tangents. Exactly two common tangents. Also find the point of intersection of those tangents. Here, first of all, we prove that the given two circles have exactly two common tangents and also find the point of intersection of those tangents. First of all, here we prove that exactly two common tangents means mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Here first of all we prove that mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. First of all, here we find the centers and radii of the given two circles. The first circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient to 2g is equal to minus 8. G is equal to minus 8 by 2. G is equal to 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. G is equal to minus 4. Again y coefficient 2f is equal to minus 6. F is equal to minus 6 by 2. F is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. F is equal to minus 3. This is the F value. Again constant C is equal to 21. First one, find the center of the first circle. C1 is equal to center formula minus G comma minus F. C1 is equal to minus G. G is equal to minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. Comma minus F. Minus F. F is equal to minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. Therefore, C1 is equal to 4 comma 3. Second one, radius of the first circle. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R1 is equal to g square minus 4 whole square plus f square minus 3 whole square minus c. C is equal to 21 under root. R1 is equal to minus 4 whole square 16 plus 3 square 9 minus 21 under root. 16 plus 9 25 minus 21. R1 is equal to 25 minus 21 4. Square root 4 means 2. Therefore r1 is equal to 2. This is the radius of the first circle. Again, we find the radius and center of the second circle. Equation of the second circle, x square plus y square minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to 0. G is equal to 0 by 2. G is equal to 0. Y coefficient 2f. 2f is equal to minus 2. F is equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. F is equal to minus 1. Constant C is equal to minus 15. Again find the center and radius of the second circle. Second circle center C2 is equal to minus G comma minus F minus G. G is equal to 0 comma minus F. F is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Again fourth one, radius of the second circle. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R2 is equal to g square 0 square plus f square minus 1 whole square minus c. C is equal to minus 15. Minus into minus plus 15 under root. R2 is equal to 0 square 0 plus minus 1 whole square 1 plus 15. 1 plus 15 16. R2 is equal to square root 16 means 4. Therefore R2 is equal to 4. Radius of the second circle is equal to 4. Here we check the condition. Mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. Here two circles intersect in two distinct points. If two circles intersect two distinct points, the number of common tangents is 2. This is the first common tangent. First common tangent. This is the second common tangent. If mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Here we prove that mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Here R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 4. Again we find the C1 C2. C1 C2 means the distance between the two centers of the given circles. Here C1 is equal to 4 comma 3. C2 is equal to 0 comma 1. Let us C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2. C1 C2 is equal to C1 C2 means the distance between the 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 is equal to 0 minus x1 is equal to 4 whole square plus y2 is equal to 1 y1 is equal to 3 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to 0 minus 4 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square under root. Minus 4 whole square 16 plus minus 2 whole square 4. 16 plus 4 20. Therefore, C1 C2 is equal to root 20. C1 C2 is equal to root 20. We prove that mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. R1 is equal to 2 minus R2 is equal to 4. C1 C2 is equal to root 20. R1 plus R2. R1 is equal to 2. R2 is equal to 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2 root 26 squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Minus 2 whole square 4 root 20 whole square 20 6 square 36. 4 is less than 20. 20 is less than 36. So here mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Therefore, the given two circles have exactly two common tangents. Therefore, the given circles have exactly two common tangents. Two common tangents. This is the first part. This is the first part. First part we prove the given two circles have exactly two common tangents. Means here we prove that mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Again second part, also find the point of intersection of those tangents. This is the first tangent, this is the second tangent. The point of intersection of the tangent is called the external center of similitude. External center of similitude. External center of similitude. This is the center C1. C1 is equal to 4 comma 3. C2 is equal to 0 comma 1. Here R1 is equal to 2. R2 is equal to 4. C1 is equal to 4 comma 3. Let C1 x1 y1. C2 is equal to 0 comma 1. Let x2 y2. R1 is to R2 is equal to 2 is to 4. Let R1 m R2 n. M is to n is equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. The point of intersection is the external center of similitude. External center of similitude. External center of similitude is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. The point of intersection of the direct common tangents is called the external center of similitude. Q divides the line segment C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. So, the external center of similitude Q is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Q is equal to m is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 0 minus n is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 4 by m minus n, 1 minus 2, comma m is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 1 minus n, 2, y1 is equal to 3 by m minus n, 1 minus 2. Q is equal to 1 into 0 minus 2 4s are 8 by 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 into 1 minus 2 3s are 6 by 1 minus 2 minus 1. 0 minus 8 by minus 1. 1 minus 6 minus 5 by minus 1. Minus cancel, minus cancel. Q is equal to 8 by 1, 8, 5 by 1, 5. This is the external center of similitude. Therefore, external center of similitude. External center of similitude. Q is equal to 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5. This is the process for the external center of similitude. External center of similitude. Thank you.